Hey Crypto Ninjas, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about something massive, cryptocurrencies hitting all-time highs when the total crypto market cap reaches $5 trillion. Why is this happening, and what could it mean for coins like XRP, Algorand, Hedera, and Cardano? Let's dive in with super simple words. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto updates. Why crypto could hit $5 trillion? So, how could the crypto market grow to $5 trillion? Here are 3 big reasons. 1. More people using crypto. More people and companies are using crypto every day. Think of stores accepting Bitcoin or apps using Ethereum. When more people want crypto, the prices go up because there's not enough for everyone. It's like when everyone wants a new game console, and the price skyrockets. 2. Big money jumping in. Big investors, like banks and hedge funds, are buying tons of crypto. They think it's like digital gold to protect their money. When these giants invest billions, it pushes crypto prices way up, helping the market hit $5 trillion. 3. Better tech and clear rules. Crypto tech is getting faster and easier to use, like with new blockchains. Also, governments are making rules that make crypto safer to buy. When people trust crypto more, they invest more, and that makes prices soar. Example prices for XRP, Algorand, Hedera, and Cardano. If the crypto market hits $5 trillion, some coins could see huge gains. Here's a quick example of what prices might look like. XRP could hit $5 to $10 thanks to its use in fast global payments. Algorand might reach $3 to $6 with its superfast and green blockchain. Hedera could climb to $1 to $2 because big companies love its tech. Cardano might soar to $7 to $12 with its smart contracts and growth. These are just guesses, not promises. Prices can go up or down, so always be careful. What this means for you. A $5 trillion market cap shows crypto is becoming a big deal. But big highs can mean big risks. Do your homework before investing, and only use money you can afford to lose. Stay smart and safe in the crypto world. That's it for today. Do you think XRP, Algorand, Hedera, or Cardano will moon at $5 trillion? Tell us in the comments. If you like this, smash that like button, share with friends, and subscribe for daily crypto tips. See you next time, stay bullish.